Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to paint a stone and clay brick walkway using the Elrik's Hobbies Imperial Walkway bases. First off, we're going to start with a dry brush slash overbrush of dark warm gray. Next, we're going to do a heavy dry brush slash overbrush with burnt sienna on the upper brick area. It's important to have the black still in the cracks there. Next up, we're going to do a light dry brush with light neutral gray. Next, pick an accent color for the decorative bricks. On this one, I went with Lamenter's Yellow. Now we're going to start the process of giving the individual bricks a little bit of character. I'm going to start off with throwing in camo shade and choosing random bricks to put it on. We don't want to clump them up too much, but we can have a few that are right next to each other. The next shade I'm using is Nuln Oil, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the camo shade, just trying to spread it out a bit. The next shade I'm going to use is Reikland Flesh Shade. I'm going to do the same thing as with the previous two shades, but after I'm done picking out the individual bricks, I'm going to put this all over the upper layer of bricks where we put the burnt sienna. Finally, I'm going to take Agrak Surf Shade and put it on all the bricks that we haven't put any shade on yet. Once all the washes have dried, we're going to do a light dry brush of light neutral gray to blend them all together. Next, we're going to do a dry brush of burnt orange over the upper area bricks. Follow that up with a light dry brush of orange. We're going to finish that off with a light dry brush of ivory. Don't go too heavy with this step.